Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make vegetable stew. This is a very famous dish in Kerala. The important aspect of this dish is that it's very easy to do and it's not too spicy. It has nice aroma in it. Let's see how to do it. First, let me show you the ingredients needed before we jump into the actual process. I have thinly sliced 2 onions, 2 small onions, 1 cup of carrots chopped into cubes, 1 cup of beans cut into small pieces, 1 cup of potatoes cut into cubes, some green peas, ginger paste, 2 green chilies slit into halves. The major ingredient of this dish is coconut milk. You could see here 2 glasses of coconut milk. Here is the thick coconut milk, that is the first coconut milk. The other one is the thin coconut milk, that is the second milk that has been extracted from the coconut. I'm going to do this stew in cooker to make the process very easy. Keep the bottom of the pressure cooker on the stove. Pour oil generously. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground spice powder. This spice powder is nothing but I grinded all the whole spices like cinnamon, clove, cardamom into fine powder. If you want, you can add whole spices also. Fry the powder for few seconds and then add the sliced onions and green chilies. Fry the onions for a couple of minutes. Now add the ginger paste. Fry the onions nicely so that it turns brown as well as translucent. Now it's time to add all the chopped vegetables. Add the required salt. Fry the vegetables just for a couple of minutes, just to make sure the raw smell goes away. Now add the thin coconut milk you have extracted already. Almost 75% of the work is done now. Close the pressure cooker, keep the flame in medium, and just after 1 whistle, switch off the stove. After the steam is released, open the cooker. You could see the vegetables are nicely cooked now. Now add the thick coconut milk in it. Keep the stove in medium flame. Just before the stew starts boiling, you could see the lather over the top. At this point, switch off the stove. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. That's it. The easiest, quickest and soft vegetable stew is now ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy eating. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to enlighten you.